is a um, indicator, a trading indicator, excuse me, I almost forgot, um, with AI. Okay, we're going to use an AI trading coach to actually help us answer that. I'm going to share my screen and get you guys actually into the AI platform called Archaide, right? Where we're going to actually ask this trading AI coach. Please answer the following questions in plain, easy to understand language. What are trading indicators? Why do trading indicators matter? And how do trading indicators make smarter decisions without guesswork? Okay. I think I misspoke. How do traders use trading indicators to make smarter decisions without guesswork? So we're going to answer those three questions um, using this trading coach. Cool. So we just literally submit that prompt, and hopefully here in a few seconds, we'll get back a robust answer to each of these questions. Okay. Now this platform here does more than just what I'm showing you. This is a little sliver. But hey, let's actually read what it came back with. So what are trading indicators? Trading indicators are mathematical calculations or patterns derived from a price volume or open interest of security or contract used by traders to follow technical analysis. These indicators serve as a method to predict the future direction or movement of a price. Common indicators include moving averages, relative strength index, also commonly referred to as RSI, moving average convergence, divergence, MACD, very common strategy, Bollinger Bands, and others. Okay, why do trading indicators matter? Trading indicators matter because they provide objective data and help remove human emotion and subjectivity from trading decisions. They can help traders identify trends, signal potential buying and selling opportunities, and provide a measure of market volatility. By using indicators, traders can make more informed decisions based on statistical analysis rather than relying purely on intuition. 3, how do traders use trading indicators to make smarter decisions without guesswork? Traders use trading indicators to identify patterns or signals in the market, which can guide their buying and selling decisions. For instance, a trader might use the RSI to identify overbought or oversold conditions. If the RSI exceeds 70, it may indicate that the asset is overbought and could be due for a price correction. Conversely, if the RSI falls below 30, the asset may be oversold and could be due for a price increase. And, at the same time, a trader might use the MACD to identify potential buy and sell signals. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it could be a bullish buy signal. When the MACD crosses below the signal line, it could be a bearish or a sell signal. By using these and other indicators, traders can make decisions based on data and patterns rather than guesswork or emotion. It's important to note, while indicators might be very helpful, they're not foolproof and should be used in conjunction with other tools and analytical methods. And again, you do your own due diligence here, but what I've seen is trading indicators, whether it be these or others, provide traders like you and me the framework and the guidelines to be successful. Okay, it's almost like bowling, right? If you were to go bowling as a complete total novice, um, or even as a professional, right? Having those, rails up on the side pretty much ensures you're going to have a really high scoring game, right? Whether you're a professional or a, total beginner, if you have those rails up, you're going to win, right? And that's what a trading strategy or trading indicators do, right? They give you sort of guidelines, right, about when to buy and when to sell so that you're going to be, inching closer to success. But really, that's just the beginning of it, okay? Because we're actually inside of a larger framework, right? Where we're looking at trading strategies, okay? We're looking at, basically this entire challenge. We're looking at just trading strategies right now, but eventually we're going to actually launch our first trading bot, okay? So we are currently here, but eventually we're going to dive deep and find our, best trading strategy. And we're going to launch a fully automated trading bot that will work for us, enter and exit trades automatically on our behalf while we're working, asleep, while we're, with our kids, with our friends, with our family, whatever, all inside this one platform, right? So the next question is like, okay, so what are some trading indicators I might use, right? So what are trading indicators I can use actually that I can automate inside this platform? Give me 25. Okay, so we just, again, this platform, this trading AI can literally go from the very basics to launching a fully automated trading bot. So here's 25 indicators that you could use to totally automate your trading, right? Inside this platform, right? And we'll get into how we exactly do that in the next videos, which is going to be super exciting. But here's 25. And if I wanted 25 more, right? Give me 25 more indicators. Actually, I don't want to type it all out. So give me 25 more, right? So let's say I'm not happy with any of these or what have you, right? I ask it, give me 25 more of these indicators. And then boom, there's 25 more. These are totally new. None of them is a totally new indicators, right? So none of them are duplicates or things of that nature, right? And so let's say I want to do, let's say I'm feeling colorful and I want to use the rainbow moving average. I'm going to say, right, please give me a breakdown of the rainbow moving average, right? Give me a pros and cons list. Tell me about the risks and rewards and potential pitfalls, along with how to use it. Uh, Tell me everything in plain, I believe I spelled that right, plain English. I think that's the right way. Boom. So I just literally tell the AI to give me more information. And this works. I've never heard of this strategy before in my life, or this indicator, right? This will work with this indicator or any other indicator that you could possibly ever imagine, right? And then you could either get that indicator from the platform, or if you find one online and ask the platform, right? Like, this platform can very easily educate you on any indicator, right? So again, it's going to basically tell you a brief description, how to use it, the pros, the cons, the risks, rewards, potential pitfalls, exactly what we wanted to know. And again, if I want to use this exact same prompt, right? Say like, okay, I've read through all this. And by the way, feel free to pause and read this if you want. This is not recommendations to use the strategy. I'm just showing you an example of, what this platform can do. And the importance of trading strategies, right, as a whole. So again, now we're going to use this random. So standard deviation. That's it. That's a standard deviation isn't necessarily a indicator, but let's go to the ultimate oscillator. Right, I've never heard of this, but let's use that. So give me a breakdown. So basically using the exact same prompt, but for a different indicator, just to kind of illustrate the fact that you could use this for any of these indicators, right? There's 50 there. You could, if you want to generate another 25 to have 75, you want to generate 50 more, generate as many as you want, do all the research you need. And again, this is within the broader context, because eventually we're going to want to launch a trading bot. So you're going to want to know about all of these, about the indicator you're actually using, about the strategy, about the rules you have working for you, right? And we're going to get into the numbers, shortly, right? And actually begin to test some of these out on, some test data. But in principle, for a learning mechanism, right? We asked our AI trading coach, what are trading indicators? Why do trading indicators matter? How do traders use trading indicators to make smart decisions without guessing? These indicators here literally tell you exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. I cannot overemphasize that, right? This platform here gives you as many trading indicators as you want. You could make trading ideas on the fly and learn deeply about all these different trading strategies in one place. And then when you're ready, right, in the next video, we're going to get into actually, building and testing these strategies in real time. That's where the fun begins. Okay, so that's that for this video. Looking forward to sharing more with you in the coming videos. Okay, talk soon. Bye bye.